Hello everybody, I am Amran. In this lesson we will learn Urdu alphabet. This is our first lesson in this series, how to write and read Urdu language. Let's have a start. Alif. This is A like an English language. Alif. Alif mad A. It's have long sound like double A in English language. Alif. Alif mad A. This is our first group of Urdu alphabet and it's have two alphabet. Next we have Be family. Be mean B like in English language. Next we have P like P in English language. Te, it's T but it's soft like in Arabic or like in Spanish language. Next we have T, it's hard sound like T in English language. So it's soft T like in Arabic and it's hard T like in English language. Next we have Say, it's similar to S like in English language. It's B family of Urdu alphabet and it's have 5 alphabet. B with 1 dot under the line. P have 3 dot under the line. They have 2 dot inside. They have sign. Actually it's sign called Toy and it's alphabet also. It will come next. Say have 3 dot inside. B, P, Te, Say. Next we have Jim family. Jim similar J in English language. J, it's combination of C and H like in church or China. Next we have Hey. Hey, its sound come from throat. Hey, it's similar H in English language. Next we have Hey. Hey, its sound come from throat and it's combination of KH and X. KH like Khan, or another good example of Hey is Munich, the famous city of Germany, Munich. So it's called Jim family of Urdu alphabet and these alphabets are almost all the same. Jim with 1 dot inside it. J have 3 dot inside it. Hey have no dot. Hey have 1 dot over it. Jim, J, Hey. Next we have Dal family. Dal, it's soft D. Dal, it's hard D and like in English language it sound from tip of tongue the dal like the in English language the America. So it's soft dal actually come from Arabic language. Dal, it's like D in English language like we use for doctor. Zal, it's similar to Z like in English language. So it's called Dal family of Urdu alphabet because all alphabets are same. Dal, Dal, Zal. Dal have no dot or sign. Dal have sign. Zal have 1 dot over it. Next we have Ray family. Ray, it's just like R in English language. Ade, it's have hard sound of R like double R, soft R similar in English language, hard R like French or sometimes Spanish language. Ade. Next we have Z. It sounds similar to Z like in English language. And next we have J. J, its combination of Z and H, and the best example for its television. Television, the sound of zhan, this used for zhan, television. So it is a family of R alphabet, have 4 alphabet: Re, Ade, Z, J. Re have no dot or sign, Ade have one sign, Z with one dot,